Alright guys, what's up? Northwest Mechanic here. And tonight I'm going to show you how to install a rear tow hook. So, first of all, need a tow ring or tow hook welded on the back of your car. As you can see, I've got one on my 1990 Toyota Celica GT. I thought this was a 92, but it's a 90. So, anyway, so the tools you're going to need is a half-inch ratchet and a 19 millimeter socket. And just so you know, if you buy one of these and both bolts do not fit in the ring, do not worry. It will work just fine. So, let's get this thing on there. I'm doing this with one hand too. This is going to be interesting. So, alright, I'm going to have to pause this video and then I'll be right back as soon as I at least get them started. Okay, so I have it installed, as you can see. I've got both nuts and washers in there. So you have I would definitely strongly suggest you have another tool like a wrench, ratchet, or something to hold the other end. But because I'm just trying to get this done and to show you guys, God, my throat. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten these down so it's on the tighten. And yeah, just tighten down as tight as you can get it. Don't worry, it's not gonna break. So, alright, that'll do it. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. It's on there. So, that's how you install a tow hook, rear tow hook on your car. So, I'm out of breath. Whew. I've got bad asthma, so. But, yeah. Both bolts do not need to go around or through the ring for it to work. Just need to make sure it is like freaking tighter than hell. And I got this off of Amazon for $18.99, and with tax and everything came out to $20. So, yeah. If you enjoy this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. And I'll put a link to my Instagram where I'll be sharing pictures of this so you can look at it. Alright, till next time, Northwest Mechanic signing out. Peace.